Welcome to Ratsusila Holistics. Today we are going to talk about cats. Yes, really cats. Cats are very loving, affectionate, beautiful things. Cat is the most beautiful creature which God has ever made. That is my opinion. Cats are so beautiful, so loving. Usually people think that cats bring bad luck. They are bad luck symbol. We should not let them inside our house. We should throw them out. These are all only myth. There is no reality in it. In fact, cat is such a thing which can get lot of good luck for us, lot of betterment in life, good health for us. Cats have the power to see entities, ghosts, and evil spirits. So, in a house where cat resides, such places, ghosts, bad spirits, evil spirits, entities will never enter. And another thing you will notice, cats will frequent some places. They will repeatedly go and sit in that place or repeatedly go and sleep in some places of your home. Thus, those places are the power points of your house. They know the power points, they can see which is the power point of your house. They can identify it more good than any best of the machines. So, those power points, you go and sit there and do your work, or there you do important works, you will get repeated success in your work. And more about cats when we are going to discuss. Cats relieve our stress. They are stress busters. Even doctors say that if you have a pet cat at your home, you are going to pet a cat, you will be relieved of your stress, you will be relieved of your anxiety, your heart will work properly, you will not be a victim of stroke. Such is the benefit of cat on your health. It gives you happiness, it gives you mental peace, it gives you relaxation. Some people will be allergic to cats, asthmatic patients, sinus patients, and many of them. Such people can go for a NACO, but NACO is always a NACO and real cat is always a real cat. Welcome cat, that is NACO, come cat, which will be just calling us with his hand like this. That cat is also will do some 20% of the work which a real cat does. But real cat is a real cat, artificial cat is a artificial cat. Cat also has the power to heal us fast from sickness. It has been scientifically proven. A person to heal, to recover from sickness, he wants the sound vibration between 18 to 35 hertz. And cat's purring sound vibration frequency is 20 hertz. So naturally the sound of purring of the cats will make the person to heal faster, recover from sickness faster. Apart from this, every person who is born on this earth, God will deploy a guardian angel for them. Guardian angel is an angel who will be there with us from the time we are born till the end of our life. About this guardian angel, what are its greatness, that I will explain to you in a different episode. But now these guardian angels always guard us from dangers or any bad thing that is going to happen to us. They give warning to us. And in many circumstances, these guardian angels manifest as a white cat and come and save us from danger. So when guardian angels can take the form of a cat, you can't underestimate a cat. Cat is a cat is a cat. Nothing can become a cat. Now the colors of cat also attribute what fortune it will get for us. If it is a black cat, usually people think black cat, it has passed my way, I am going to die today, accident is going to happen, very big misfortune is going to come. It's not like that. A black cat averts us from misfortunes and gives us good luck. It helps us, it stops negativity from us. A white cat brings peace in our life, and those who want to grow spiritually, they should rear a white cat. Black and white cat. A mixture of black and white in a cat. Mixture of black and white in a cat, that is a black and white cat, will bring yin and yang balance. Balance in life, harmony in life, happiness in life. Ginger cat. Ginger color cats bring good fortune, money, abundance in life. Grey cat. When you are going to start something, when you are going to start new projects, transition in life. Grey cats help you when you want to make a transition in your life. And brown cats. Brown cats make you get grounded to health. It will make your anger lessen. It will make you stay relaxed and cool. Such are the attributes of cats. So from now on, when you see a cat, you find a orphan cat, get it and rear it. Don't think it is a misfortune. Don't think it is a burden on you. Save the cat and help yourself from getting benefited from it. If you like our episode, like it, share it and subscribe it.